Good evening, everyone. This is Walamina greeting you a pleasant good evening. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Again, may I introduce myself? Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. At the same time, Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. This is my virtual office. I was the one who promote Africa. I was the one who brought this vital information to the world. I'll give you my background again. Maybe in the previous video, you as the buyer, you did not pay attention. Wilhelmina used to be in real estate. I'm already retired. And someone from Africa saw my profile when I was in real estate. Here in Brisbane, when we sell property, we put our picture, location, and the company. I work with the company. I am a real estate sales agent. I have a license, but I'm already retired. I focus on gold because I want to assist both buyers and sellers in Africa. 98% gold produced in Africa. Burkina Faso, Mali, Conakry, Tanzania, Kenya, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Conakry, and so forth. Now, I'm only handling Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Do not ask Wilhelmina, I want to buy gold in Ghana. I used to handle in Ghana. I fired them all. I was being screwed. That's why I decided to expose both buyers and seller. So I don't want to deal Ghana because Ghana, the government has changed. You cannot get the gold in Ghana unless you deposit 20% of gold into their agency coffin. But I don't deal. So don't ask me, well, Mina, I'm here in Ghana. Tough luck. If you're in Ghana, meaning to say you didn't get the gold. I only handle you, Mr. Buyer, if you want the gold from us. If you are a gold trader from Dubai, yes, Conakry is convenience for you. Why? Conakry and Dubai is one stop. Emirates fly 3 times a week. So I will put you in Conakry. But if you want gold in Mali, yes, we have tons of gold. But you need Wilhelmina on the ground. Do not travel without Wilhelmina. I've been to Mali. Mali is very strict. And you fly, you stop over to airport. So, Mr. Buyer, I know you've been searching gold all over places. You've been dealing with the broker on LinkedIn. You've been dealing with brokers on WhatsApp. You've been dealing lots of broker on Facebook. Facebook is the best and YouTube channel is the best. I get out from LinkedIn because I discover LinkedIn there's a lot of time waster. LinkedIn is good site is to connect people, but joker broker they abuse the system. So I get out. What a waste of time. I decided to put my face. I decided to put everything on YouTube. I decided to put everything on Facebook. If you are not on Facebook, tough luck. You are not a buyer. Because everything now is very convenient. I was the one who put everything online. Mr. Buyer, you don't need chain of joker broker. You don't. This buyer from London, this one here, if I'll show their faces, they might be embarrassed, so I would not show their faces. They send me their corporate website. I print it out. Ladies and gentlemen, they didn't meet the criteria. They are not a buyer. They are outsourcing on behalf of the bank. So I told them they are from London. If you're outsourcing on behalf of the bank, why not go to the Bank of London, buy gold? There is no discount. You only buy the serial number when you buy gold bullion. Everybody buy raw materials. Indian travel all over Africa. Chinese travel all over Africa. Russian are now positioning themselves in Africa. My fellow Australian mining company, they are positioning in Africa. Why? Because of business. Africa has a huge deposit of natural resources. So why Australian mining company is in Africa? They are in Mali. They are in Conakry. They are everywhere. Why German company are everywhere? And you, as a gold trader, you're a small timer, you ask a big discount, you ask for LC, you ask for CIF. To me, you are not a buyer. To me, I consider you crook buyer. Yes? Crook buyers fan of blah blah blah. The real buyer would not talk blah blah blah. Wouldn't. So Mr. Buyer, you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? Mr. Buyer, you pay attention watching this video first. Then click below and subscribe the full corporate offer. The price and the carats and the purity is on this video. Every video, the full corporate offer, I put it very extensively. Mr. Buyer, I want you to read properly. I want you to comprehend and digest it. Do not come to Wilhelmina asking what is the price. Because the price I'm putting is the price of the day. Now, Mr. Buyer, today is September 12. The price of gold is $81,000 already. Our selling price less 8% tax included. Now, out of $81,000, less 8% equivalent to 74,240. Okay? That was less 8%. As I mentioned a few seconds ago. Now, because you don't know us and we don't know you, you need to place your order. You need to send me a letter of interest called LOI. That LOI will signify who you are. That LOI will tell us that you are a buyer, not cut and paste. And we want to see the credibility of the buyer. Now, Wilhelmina is the one who will validate you. Wilhelmina has the power to say yes or no. Wilhelmina has the power to reject you. Wilhelmina has the power to give you a leeway. Meaning to say, our selling price can be negotiable if you meet the criteria. Yeah? You need Wilhelmina's services. You cannot, there is no free service. You cannot just say, hi Wilhelmina, what is the price? Well, you're not paying attention. The price of gold would be on this video. The full corporate offer is on this video. I want you to read, listen, and digest it. That is the time you come for conference. If you don't come for conference, at least you were being educated. Because if you don't have the capital, this gold business is not for you. This gold business is for this big spender, not cheap spender. The cheap spender asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. To me, you're a poor guy. Why you cannot afford to pay the gold? Why you can only afford to pay the shipping cost? Why you can only afford to pay the insurance? How about paying the gold? Because the gold will not leave the country of origin without full export documentation coming from the seller. You wouldn't get the gold. And the gold would not leave the country of origin unless there's a lot of export documentation coming from the seller that you have paid the gold. Now you're gonna say, oh, we don't have to pay upfront. There is no upfront here. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. There is no upfront. The payment must be bank to bank. Now, Mr. Buyer, I want to elaborate so that you will put that into the back of your head. When you send a letter of interest, you have to send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, your bank statement that you have $500,000 or $1 million. On your LOI, you need to state that how many quantity you want to require on the first shipment, second shipment, third and fourth shipment. Is this a long term or short term? We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. We encourage the buyer to travel. We encourage the buyer to establish business relationship with us. The first trial transaction is very crucial. But once you establish your business relationship with us, your order would be running smoothly. Now, Mr. Buyer, you are using my services at the same time. Which one you like? I will give you two options, Mr. Buyer. 8%, you travel, I will arrange everything. Once you send me your credential, 8%, $74,000. You're not buying refined here. You're buying unrefined, which is 22 plus carats. The purity is from 95, 96, 97. So therefore, the gold has to be tasted in the country where the gold originated in order for you to get the assay report. Now, Mr. Buyer, I want you to buy gold analyzer. You need to spend money to make money. Okay? You buy analyzer, you can buy that online. There is 10,000, there is 20,000. That is not my business. I'm just giving you an information. You can search it in Alibaba. You can buy gold analyzer. That is not my job to help you. My job is to tell you that we have the gold, the carats, and the purity is in front of you. Okay? So, Mr. Buyer, how long you been searching for gold, Mr. Buyer? I know you've been searching. Everybody landed to Wilhelmina. All the joker broker, they landed to Wilhelmina. I just rejected these 3 joker broker. They say they are the buyer. When I interviewed them on the group on WhatsApp, they didn't meet the criteria. I let them keep on writing. I've been reading their messages. At middle of my conversation, I called them. I told them, open your camera. I want to see you, who you are. Who is the buyer here? The response is like this, Madam, we are next to the buyer. Oh, I see. So bring your buyer. I want to interview your buyer because we want to know the credibility of the buyer. We want to know how serious is the buyer. So if you cannot meet the criteria, at least you found this video. At least you found Wilhelmina. Gold is not for everyone. Gold is not for joker broker. Gold is for the spender. The real spender. Because they are going to make a decision. Not a joker broker. Okay? You think you can make money online, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on WhatsApp? You are just wasting the time. There was a joker broker. I called him Joker. He said, Madam, I've been on brokering for 5 years. I never closed the deal. I told him, yes, you wouldn't. Because you don't know what you're doing. You are just collecting information. Everybody's collecting information. They come to Wilhelmina. It's okay. You collect information, but you need to be transparent. If you're working for the buyer has to be transparent to you. Because if you come to Wilhelmina, I'm telling you, I'm going to scrutinize you as being a mandate of the buyer. I am going to scrutinize the buyer. And you create a group chat, I want to chat with the buyer, whether the buyer meet the criteria or not. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you listen to this video, unless you click below, unless you subscribe, make a comment on the video, whether you learn it or not. If you didn't learn, to me, you're just a time waster. Why I put everything on the social media? Because we want to clean. There are so many joker buyer, there are so many crook buyer, and also crook seller. Yeah. Those crook seller offer you cheap price. What's out? You are waiting for disaster. Yeah. The seller hired Wilhelmina, you must remember. I am the extension of the seller. They hired me because the seller is sick and tired dealing with bunch of joker broker. I call them joker broker. Because they're scared to reveal who is the buyer. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be scared. Wilhelmina is here. I'm helping you, Mr. Buyer. Your business would not function if there is no supply, Mr. Buyer. Yeah. Gold has many uses, Mr. Buyer. Yes. Gold has many uses. You're buying raw material, Mr. Buyer. You're buying Doribar. You're not buying gold bullion here. You're not. Gold bullion is 80,000, no discount. You're buying raw material which is unrefined. The gold is 22 plus. The gold can make into many uses. Gold can make into jewelry. This jewelry, Mr. Buyer, I purchased this in Gold Souk in Dubai. When I was in Africa, I stopped over in Dubai. Because you buy the bar. One bar is 1,000 grams. $74,000, Mr. Buyer. Then you resell it to refinery of your client. That is your business. Our business, you have the money, here's the gold. That is our business. And do not ask Wilhelmina, do you think I make profit? You would not be in business if you don't make a profit. You do the research. Don't ask Wilhelmina. Because I know you make profit. I know. Especially if I'll give you a discount. Because I'm going to travel together with you. Instead of 8% tax included, I might pressure my head office to ask the office to give you 14%. Why? Because I'm charging you my travel cost. So at the end of the day, you get back your $20,000 that you are paying Wilhelmina. Yes. So you're gonna say, why Wilhelmina? Why I'm paying you? Oh well, don't pay me. There are two options that you can avail. 8% with a $74,000. Yeah? But if I'll give you 14%, I might consider to give you 64 or 65. But if you convince Wilhelmina, I might pressure my head office to give you 63. But don't bank on it. So the price of gold getting higher and higher. Before end of 2024, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 2,700. 2,700 times 32.15. This could be the price, Mr. Buyer. I don't know if you can afford. Then you're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Of course. You're buying expensive item. Do you understand what is the meaning of rolled asset? You are buying expensive asset. Yes. This is my asset. I purchased this very expensive. Where the raw materials coming from? Africa. Why Indian love gold? Why Indian travel to Africa buying gold and they bring it to India? Why? Why Chinese are everywhere? The hotel that I stayed in Mali, in Conakry and Sierra Leone, owned by Chinese, owned by Lebanese. Why they're there? Because there is business. And you, Mr. Buyer, you're a gold trader. Why are you buying gold? Because you want to make money, isn't it? Your paper money would no longer available in the future. Your paper money has no value because we are on inflation. The big spender, they knows that the market is getting higher and higher. They knows that the gold is getting higher and higher. They knows that the gold in 5 years time they will turn to 5,000 per ounce. You multiply that to 32.15, Mr. Buyer, on 5,000 per ounce. I watched Kitco. There would be a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. Multiply that 32.15. Mr. Buyer, this could be the price in 5 years' time. Why are you waiting for 5 years' time? Why not buy now? Why not buy now and bank it? Then you keep it, you release it when the price goes up. Mr. Buyer, the price of gold before end of 2024 could be 2,700. This could be in dollar term. Okay? At any moment, at the moment we are 2,518.89 at the moment. Per ounce. 2,518.89 per ounce. Equivalent to $81,000. Now, before end of 2024, the price could be 2,000 could be the 3,000 times 32.15 could be before end of 2024 could be $3,500. Go on my platform, Mr. Buyer. There is a video prediction. Go and click below the link. Go through, comprehend. Don't be excited seeing this tough lady. Don't be excited. I want you to study. I want you to learn whether you are capable to pay or not. If you have no money, don't bother. Stay away from gold business if you don't have capital. Because you need to have a capital. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. There is a minimum. It's not worth it for you, Mr. Buyer, to travel. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, why are you charging me as a buyer? Okay, that's a very good question. You don't need to pay my travel cost if you don't like it. 8%, $74,000. Yeah? I will prepare the contract. I will gather all your vital information. You will receive the confirmation and the contract and the company profile. You will receive it. $74,000, tax included. Yeah? You don't need to pay my extra service. But if there is a problem, don't come back to Wilhelmina. Do not. Because I'm too far. Mr. Buyer, if you're smart, you're investing $500,000 there. You're investing $1 million. In return, you will get the profit. What is $20,000? It's peanuts for you. But I would be with you on the ground from the beginning to the end. I will do the groundwork for you before we're going to travel together. If you are from Dubai, from Australia to Dubai, I'm going to meet you. Then we travel together. But if you want to buy gold in Mali, I will travel ahead of time in Mali. I will arrive in Mali and I will meet you with the sellers, drivers to pick us. Yeah? You need this lady. Do not travel because I'll bet you are going to be stranded. There are so many buyers already on the ground. When they have a problem, they call Wilhelmina. I meet a German guy in Dubai. Every day he come to my hotel. I meet this guy from Holland. He met me in Jibora Hotel. This German guy, they come to my hotel in Holiday Inn. They keep on asking questions. And I told him, I'm not here to teach you. You have the money. You register your business. Therefore, you know that gold is lucrative business. What happened? He went to Africa. Disaster. And then they're going to say, oh, well, Amina, I should listen to you. Well, it's too late. Because I would not entertain any buyer already on the ground. I don't. I rather take you to the office, complete information, but my services is not for free. I am not here to do business for free. There's a saying, information worth $1 million. Mr. Buyer, you're dealing with the worth $1 million. My services is worth it. Believe me. Thank you very much, Mr. Buyer. Listen to this video. Click below, read it. I will put the price time to time. You need to click on the link because the price changes every half an hour. Once you confirm, I will assist you. You will get a very good profit. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you. At the moment, we are now 6 o'clock in Australia. If you're in Dubai, it's 11:48 in the morning. If you are in Africa, 7:48 in the morning. If you are in San Francisco, 12:48 in the morning. If you are in London, 8:48 in the morning. If you are in New York, 3:48 in the morning. If you are in Miami, 3:48 in the morning. If you are in Abu Dhabi, 11:48 in the morning. If you are in Chicago, 2:48 in the morning. So nice talking to you, Mr. Baya. I shall see you on live video conference on WhatsApp or on LinkedIn or on Skype or Messenger.